It's 5 p.m. on a Friday, and your boss just asked you to create a sales summary worksheet for each of your 30 companies by Monday morning. If you do this manually, you're going to be working all weekend. But before you cancel your weekend plans, I'm going to show you how to create all 30 worksheets in one click. Let's take a look. For example, here I have a sales data set with thousands of transactions across multiple companies, and our boss wants a separate worksheet for each company that summarizes their monthly sales so he can easily review each company's performance. Instead of manually creating 30 worksheets and inserting a pivot table into each worksheet, we can create them all at once. The first step is to create a pivot table summarizing monthly sales. So just select any cell in the data, navigate to the Insert tab, click Pivot Table, and then press OK to insert the pivot table into a new worksheet. Build out the pivot table by dragging the month field into the rows area and then dragging the sales field into the values area to summarize sales by month. Now here's the trick. Drag the company field into the filters area and then open the options dropdown on the pivot table analyze tab and click show report filter pages. This command automatically creates filter pages, or in other words, worksheets for each value in the filter field we select. So I'm going to go ahead and choose company and watch what happens at the bottom of our Excel grid when we press OK. Excel automatically created all the worksheets for us. Each tab is uniquely named with the company name, and each sheet contains a filtered pivot table showing that company's monthly sales. This is so much more efficient than creating 30 different tabs manually. Well, it's a good thing you didn't cancel your weekend plans because you should have plenty of time to spare after learning this trick. As always, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips.